Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Cumulative Volume Index Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Before we get into testing today's indicator, though, I wanted to put up the indicator scoreboard. So to date, we have tested 27 indicators, and out of those 27, 8 of them have been winners, which means that they have exceeded or met the 60% win-loss ratio that we look for. So you could take any one of those 8 indicators and start profitably trading the market now. So go watch those videos, make a list of those 8 indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here at the channel as we work to maximize your profits. All right, as I said, we will be testing the Cumulative Volume Index Indicator. Of course, we are on a random pair, and the take profit and stop loss are designated here. That is done with the average true range, which we have explained in other videos. So, the Cumulative Volume Index is a single line indicator. It is here in the blue. And like a few of the indicators we've been testing recently, we needed to add an indicator to it, so that way it gives us signals that we need to be able to trade and use those signals to know whether we're going short or long. So what we have done is I have added a moving average to the Cumulative Volume Index, and that is what the orange line is. So, like any other two-line cross indicator, when the faster of the two lines, which is the blue line in this case, the Cumulative Volume Index, when it crosses up above the orange line, that is a buy signal. When it crosses down below the orange line, that is a sell signal. So that is how we're going to test it today, and we are going to get on with the testing. All right, we have the first cross here. We are looking for 50 pips out of that move, and it does appear that we got it. Let's see. All right, so far so good. One signal and one winner. Does look like that was a cross there. A sell signal, turned around, bounced right back up above, giving us a buy signal right here. And another win. It does appear to be taking quite a bit of losses here. Was doing all right there for a minute, kind of holding its own. Then it started just bouncing out these bad signals. Does appear to be over trading. And it does appear to be giving very contradicting signals compared to what the price action appears to be doing. Catches good signals from time to time, and then other times It's catching really weird signals. I mean, like some of the other indicators we've tested, it seems to be contradicting the price action. We're getting real strong movement here, but it is trending down. And then right in the middle, it seems to reverse course and start trending up as price action continues to trend up. So it doesn't appear as though it is really following the price action or giving us any kind of indicator of trend, trend strength. It just kind of bounces out really oddball signals. Yeah, once again, here's an instance where it seems to have really strong trend, and the indicator is going in the opposite direction. I'd like to say that this is one of those indicators where up is down and down is up, because here it's going, the price action is going down, the indicator is going up. Here, price action is going up, the indicator is going down. Here, the price action is going down, the indicator is going up. But I know that can't be the case because back here, again, we had movement up, but the indicator is going down. And in almost the same move, as price action continues to go up, the indicator then reverses course and starts to go up. So that does not seem to have any rhyme or reason. So we will just keep plugging along here. And it seems to be giving us a lot of bad signals. I think that puts us close to the end of the year. Right there. End of the year. All right. So let's add this up and see what we got. Doesn't look good, that is for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So yes, definitely over trading. So we need at least 22 wins to meet the 60%, and I would say it's pretty safe assumption we're not going to get there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 wins. So yes, it definitely does not meet the 60% win rate. That puts it down there near the bottom of the list with the other horrible indicators that we have tested. And again, it doesn't seem to have any kind of rhyme or reason to what it is doing. And by its very nature, the cumulative volume index is a momentum indicator that is reading volume. And so it does not appear as though it is doing a very good job of catching the momentum and reading it, or catching the volume and reading it. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that we will put this one to rest, put it on the no list, and move on from there. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.